Good morning everyone and welcome back to the channel. Erilys is here, she's staying with me at the moment. But today is actually my first day back at university for third year. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Imogen. I am going into my third year of Geography with German at the London School of Economics. And yeah, today's the first day back. I am living at home this year, so I'm in my lovely kitchen and I'm about to make some breakfast, and then we actually need to hurry up a bit because otherwise I'm going to be late and we've got to leave in about 20 minutes time to walk to the station. But the weather today is grim, so I'm not excited to walk today. I'm still I have my little rucksack and I'm all ready to go for my first day. Ready? We got to the station on time, which is good work from us. Erilys is over here, but our train is delayed. So I'm hoping it doesn't get delayed too much because then I will be late for uni. But at the moment we've got about 10 minutes more that it can be delayed before I will be late.
Intercity service for London Liverpool Street. This train goes at Stratford and London Liverpool Street only.
This train terminates.
See you later, you legend. Bye.
So, haben Sie Englisch gesprochen?
Ja, aber es war in Südfrankreich.
Ja.
Sie
Hallo, ich bin Imogen. Mein Hauptfach ist Geografie. In meinem Sommer dieses Jahr habe ich an einer anderen Schule in Hannover gearbeitet. Also die Kinder haben nicht so viel gelernt. Ich habe viel gelernt über Zylinder und Quadratmeter und ja, so was. Und warum dieser Deutschkurs? Oh, ich weiß nicht. Ich habe die anderen zwei machen. Ja.
Morphe.
Hallo, ich bin Morphe und ich komme aus China und ich studiere Anthropologie.
We've just finished German class. How was it? First class back? What was our favourite word we learnt today, Priya?
Funken.
Funken. And what
Means to hit it off.
Well, it also means to broadcast radio.
But the slang is like sparks.
Yeah, sparks are flying between people. So that's what we learnt today. Really useful vocab. Priya's on our year abroad next year, so that'll be a good word to know, hey? Anyway, now I'm just about to go and meet my friend Maddie because my class is finished and she's in a bit early for hers, so that'll be nice. And we're just going to catch up because I haven't seen her all weekend. I'm in the library, so hopefully I'm subtitling this because I've got to be quiet. Maddie's currently in the lecture, so I'm just waiting for her, and whilst I'm doing that, I'm doing my editing of my Freshers Week in the Life, Freshers Week Day in the Life, that's right. I'm just making a thumbnail and hopefully Maddie will be done in about 10 minutes, and then I think the plan is that we're going to go for a run. I've just finished my video and I've uploaded it for tonight, which was very quick editing from me. The video is not long enough though, so that's a small problem. Anyway, we are now headed to the Marshall building because we're gonna go and get changed to go on a run. Let's go! We're back. How far did we go?
10k.
Smashed it today. We ran all the way down to
Tower Bridge and back along Clifton Instagram.
Yeah, and then across, and then along the river, and then we had to do a little extension at the end because it wasn't quite 10k. We've done like 9.6, and obviously we weren't going to leave it like that. Anyway, we've got back. I mean, I don't really know what we're going to do. Probably sit here for at least 20 minutes and do nothing. And then we'll go to prep probably and get a drink and chill out for a bit more of the afternoon. We haven't got any work yet. Oh, I'm going to stop now whilst the hand dryers are going. We've been sat in prep for about an hour and a half. I'm about to head to Liverpool Street, to the train station, to walk home, to get the train home, commute home. We've been sat in Royal Courts of Justice prep, but it's absolutely freezing in here. I don't think they're putting the heating on this winter. They've also decided the cost of living crisis affects them. I should probably tell you what I've been doing in prep. I have been doing some life admin bits and pieces. It's very boring. I've been getting my YouTube video ready to go up and checking my courses for next year, just checking the ones that I definitely want to do them, because obviously it's the first week. So if I want to switch courses, I need to do that now so that I don't miss too much content. Sat here doing some lecture notes for a lecture that I've got on Wednesday, because obviously over the last 2 years we've not had many lectures in person at all, so I'm normally able to pause the video, put it on half speed, put it on double speed, write down all the notes and then listen to what my lecturer is saying. But that isn't an option when it's in person, which this one on Wednesday is. So I've just been writing up the notes from the slides before I go in, so that when I get there I don't have to worry about trying to take down everything on the slides. And that's only taken me about half an hour or so. I'm really tired today for some reason. Maybe it's the first day back. Obviously this is a new routine for me, I don't know. But it's about 9:30, so I'm gonna go to bed in a minute. So as ever, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel down below, and I'll see you next week with a new video.